Hey everyone, Jesse here with Farming Seattle. Wanted to do a quick video on how I trellis my blackberry plants. As you can see, these things are pretty big, and I have 2 rows of blackberries. I didn't prune them low enough. Typically you should prune them, these are triple crown thornless blackberry, but you should prune them about 3 feet, which is probably right here. And so I'm a good couple feet above that. They're probably at 5 feet to 6 feet tall. And with all of these berries growing, it's windy out, it's raining, they're starting to fall over on either side. I've lost some branches off some. So I had to figure out a way to trellis these, and I've seen in the past where people put like big fence posts, and they'll put 4x4 fence posts, at each end. They'll tie up string, they'll nail in a bunch of stuff and put some concrete in there. So these are 5-foot steel posts. They're called T-posts. They're from Home Depot. They're about, I think they're a little under $5 a piece. So basically what I did is I hammered in one at each end, and then also did one in the middle. What I did, they have like little flaps on the bottom. So when you hammer it this way, there's a flap that's, I don't know, kind of going like this. So if you were to push on this, the resistance is this way. In the middle, I flipped it 90 degrees so that the resistance is now this way. And I got some garden twine. We'll see how long it lasts for. It's like $3 or $4 for 200 feet. And just tie it at one end. I'll do it over here. Tie it at one end. Put it all the way across. Loop it in the middle. You can kind of see how everything is crisscrossed, and it's at the very top. See where this has been pruned before, right there. And then I went all the way around, looped it again at this end, the far end, and then did the other side down it. So all you have to do is hammer in, this is probably a 25-foot row of blackberries. I hammered in 3 of these things. The only weak point might be this. You might have to get some heavier duty twine or rope or something, but they're pretty sturdy. See me shaking them. See the bees going for the blackberries right now. I think they look like little bumblebees, honestly. See how close I can get. So yeah, an easy way, super quick, 20 minutes maybe, do 2 rows. And then also with the blackberries, you have the new growth coming up right here. And I'll probably just train it to go, right in the middle of this. But since I normally prune these about 3.5 feet or so, I'll probably just let them grow to 5-6 feet and just do cuttings of when I need them. But I always tell people who are growing raspberries that they should grow thornless blackberries instead. I have 2 kinds. These ones will produce, these produce like a purple blackberry almost, and it's early in the season. The triple crown thornless blackberries, they produce later in the season, kind of midsummer almost. So with those 2, you get, a ton of blackberries, whereas raspberries, the only thing that I hate about raspberries, I have these here. This whole bed used to be raspberries, but I dug them up. But it is very difficult to get rid of them. And then they shoot their runners all the way across. So started over here. I have runners still going feet and feet that way towards the sun. So they're just annoying, and you have to cut them all the time. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll do some more videos later.